Can you feel it? Buzzing in the atmosphere, electric.
Oh, sino ka dyan?
Everywhere this energy is swirling around us in anticipation. So can you feel?
Magsama kayo, tapos buo kayo ng pamilya. Tapos alagaan niyo siyempre yung anak niyo. Di ba?
Tapos bahala ka na rin sa buhay mo.
Ay! Congrats, kuya.
Thank you.
Hold your breath, take a step, here's our chance, yeah. It's our time, it's our time. Feel it rising,
Pa-dear nanay, maraming salamat po sa pagpapalaki niyo sa akin. Ayun po, maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo, hindi ko po kayo ipagpapalit. Sana lagi rin po kayo mag-iingat. Saka nandito naman po kami palagi, hindi naman po kami aalis kung nag-asawa na po kami. Madadagdagan lang po yung pamilya natin.
it's our time. Open your eyes.
Shoes are not made to last forever. So here's something for forever. Love, George. Yan ako! Wait lang. Salamat, my love!
Can you
Hi guys! Welcome to our wedding!
Can you feel?
Ngayong magkakaroon ka na ng asawa, dapat magmahalan kayo lagi. Tsaka kung ano man yung problema na darating sa inyo, pag-usapan niyo mabuti.
Kung mayroon man pagsubok, kayong dalawa magtulungan. Walang maghiwalayan. Kundi labanan ng lahat ng pagsubok hanggang sa matapos, hanggang sa bunga niyan ay kaligayahan.
It's our time. It's our time. It's our time.
Kuya, pinapabigay ni Ate Ring.
Oo, gusto.
Adrenaline.
Bayaran mo to.
Veins and my skeleton. When you say my name and the high, no, it never goes away.
Thank you dito. Maya ka sa akin.
Like jumping out of airplanes and swimming with the sharks. That existential feeling when you're staring at the stars. There's a hurricane in my head, but the lightning in my heart makes it worth it. Yeah, I still get nervous when you walk through the door and you look in my eyes. Yeah, it feels like the very first time.
Tulad ng nasabi ko sa'yo dati, I will be your shield. At lahat ng mga pangako ko, tutuparin ko. I am not the best man, pero I will try my best na maging pinakamabuti na sa kasi. Okay. I love you! I love you.
I'm certain, 'cause I still get nervous every time we touch. It's like paradise.
Bah, thank you.
Fell down from above and the high,
Auntie,
even too much.
wala si mama dito.
Alam ko, kahit wala dito ang mama mo, nandito pa rin siya. Nandito pa rin siya, maligaya siya saan man siya naroon. Napakaligaya niya, kasi ito rin naman ang gusto niya.
Butterflies in my heart make it worth it. Yeah, I still get nervous when you walk through the door and you look in my eyes. Yeah, it feels like the very first time I could fall for you forever. I'm certain.
Ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Salamat sa pagmamahal na ibinigay mo at patuloy mo pang ibinibigay. Hindi man ako nangangako na mahihigitan ko yon, pero I will do my best. At may papangako ko na magiging mabuting may asawa ko sa'yo at sisikapin ko to pa rin lahat ng mga ipinayo sa atin.
Short circuits. No, I don't deserve this. That's why I still get nervous when you walk through the door and you look in my eyes. Yeah, it feels like the very first time. I can fall for you forever, I'm certain. 'Cause I still get nervous when your lips hit my lips and the fireworks fly, sending sparks to the air like the 4th of July. I could fall for you forever, I'm certain. 'Cause I still get nervous. I still get nervous.